Hey everyone, I'm Brian with Tembo Tusk. Thanks for coming to my booth. Let me show you guys some of the things we got here. So if you don't know about us, what we're really known for is the Skottle. It's this guy right over here. It's something that you cook on. You cook right here in the middle. It's a disc. It's seasoned carbon steel, and you got a little propane burner underneath. That's kind of our heavy hitter. A lot of people really know us for that, but we got a lot more than just these things. So let's take a closer look. So with the Skottle, you can accessorize it like crazy. I mean, you got leg tables. This is a wind guard, which is great on a windy day like it is today. You have steam trays for doing veggies or fish. And actually, you can do cinnamon rolls if you pair it with the lid on the Skottle. You put water underneath, and it's now a steam oven, which is kind of awesome. If the full-size Skottle is a little big, we have something called the Adventure Skottle. It's the exact same premise. It fits in this bag right here. So like if you're doing motorcycle camping, I wouldn't say backpacking, even though I've taken it backpacking. It's a little heavy for that. But if you're motorcycle packing or one-person solo camping, this is a great option for you. Moving down the line, we make stainless steel fire pit. It flat packs actually into the exact same bag as the other one. Everything is in here from your fire pit rocks to your hose. And it's the flat pack is it's an awesome thing. Great for 4 or 5 people. And it creates a really nice warm orange flame. It puts out a good amount of heat. If we go down the line a little farther, this is where we get into some of our new items that we're bringing to market this year. Last year, we launched our Skottle tools. They're tools that are specifically designed for the Skottle. The radius on both these tools match the Skottle's shape, so you don't lose out on the middle if you were to use like a store-bought scraper or a spatula. But something new is the Burger Smasher 3000, and I'm serious about the name. It's really what it's called. It's very serious business over here. And what makes this special is that we've 3D printed some dies to press this into the same shape as the Skottle. So when you press your burger, it's the same thickness all the way through. We've thought way too much about this, but we care about it. So in addition to that, we have the Black Hex shelf, which is also a top for the Skottle. That has been super popular. This is retailing for $85 right now online. So it's a really affordable piece of gear to add to your Skottle. And then we also have the Black Hex leg table, which just goes on the leg. And this is retailing for $75. So pretty reasonable, and gets you into some accessories on your Skottle. And then the other thing that we have, which is a little higher up on the price scale, is the bamboo tabletop and shelf for the Skottle. What's cool about this is it has a place for you to put your tools and attach it to it so that everything is stored all in the same place. So when you grab your Skottle to go camping, it's all there. It's ready to go. And then finally, I want to mention that we're known for Skottles, but it's not where we started. We actually started with slides like this tilt slide or that drop down slide there. That has been we've been manufacturing that product for better part of 16 years now. So yeah, this is what we're known, what we really do. We sell a lot of slides. They're the best quality out there, super sturdy. This model right here is actually our brand new tilt slide. It's all aluminum. Comes with a friction cutting board with a drippings cutout on there. And then it also comes out if you want to take it to your Skottle and go cook. So yeah, that's a lot of our heavy hitters. I appreciate you guys tuning in and checking out what we got. You can find out all of our information at tembotusk.com or follow us on Instagram at Tembo Tusk, and basically anywhere else, YouTube, TikTok, we're everywhere. Thank you guys.
All right, thank you.